Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we have two trading strategies for you, for binary option, for pocket option. So let's get started, and don't forget to watch this video till the end, because at the end you can see how much I take from the market and you can take part of my profit. Yeah, so share this video with your friends so you can increase your chances. Let's continue. Alright, we're in a broker. For the first strategy, I have analyzed and selected all currency pairs. We have $1,000 on the balance, so you can see everything before your eyes. Today we have OTC market. Alright, this means a high percentage of payments on almost all currency pairs, and isn't this a reason for me to earn even more money for the same number of positions? In general, today we trade using intra-exchange quotes. So using the next indicators, such as a fractal with the full settings, weighted moving average with a period of 15, and CC isolator with a period of 10 as usual for 1 minute time frame. When trading on the OTC market, guys, I mainly focus on the trend, and I recommend it to you too. I selected trend indicators accordingly. Yeah, we will also monitor the formation of local maximums, local minimums, and the risk of oversold and overbought. In general, today I carried out detailed analysis, so I will be absolutely confident in which of my position. So I propose to start profit. The trading profit will be after trading. Yeah, why not to open here a long position? An excellent entry point, the most correct, and I hope that further price dynamics should go upward. Yes, please. So let's select the workspace for you. And look, we previously had price dynamics and the trend was generally downward. Yeah. After the updating of the global minimum, we have further dynamics of the movement acquired to recovery stage. Here, a rollback occurred and a local maximum formed. After rollback, the local minimum formed, and here we open position at the intersection itself, right? Now also observe the moving average from bottom to top and the reversal moving along this oscillator. So let's look at the result of the first trade. We have 2 seconds and we're in the profits. Of course, it's me, not someone. With me, you're gonna be always in a profit in general. So in effect, here was generally the easiest and simplest entry. So this would be extremely clear for me, and I also hope for you too. I will actually change the amount of the value, and let's continue. Alright, short position here, guys, since 2 positions, by the way, I opened in direction of the actual trend. The actual trend is now of the downward nature, and here I think 100% further dynamics should go down, since the trend and generally downward volumes are quite strong on this currency pair. In general, the weighted moving average has also crossed here again from top to bottom, right? There was also a bottom to top intersection, but since for the most part the trend is downward, I will be guided by the trend and open a position in the direction of the trend. The main point, this is exactly how we enter the trade. We also see local maximum being updated the last seconds before completion of the trade, and the deal somehow closes on profits because of me, because I predicted. So great, everything happened as I said. If I had opened trade for a long here, guided by these 2 green candles, then I would have closed this position in a minus. But the most ideal entry level was, of course, at the very crossing. But since there was a sharp downward impulse, I picked up the level that I managed to do, and overall I'm absolutely satisfied with the results for first strategy. So yep, let's fix it. Let's move to the conclusion for the first strategy and then move to the second one. Alright, continue button. We're done with this strategy. Let's move to the second one. Alright guys, second strategy, we have such indicators as Bollinger Bands and CCI Oscillator. We have Bollinger Bands with the settings of 13 and deviation 2, CCI with a period of 10 as usual. So good settings for trading on a 1 minute time frame. Let's open two trades, one for a long and one for a short, I guess, and try to calculate a certain pattern of trading using these indicators. Actually, let's get started. Okay, long position guys. We have an excellent entry into the deal, by the way. The movement has touched right now lower moving average, right, according to the Bollinger Bands indicator. This moving average is highlighted in red, as you can see. Here we understand from the CCI oscillator that we have it in the oversold area. There is the area with a mark below 100, minus 100. And we understand that this downward dynamics, there should be a rollback of the dynamics. In fact, it was at this moment that I decided to open long position. In general, we have 13 seconds. Also, the support area is also breaking through here, and overall the deal is pretty good. Let's wait. But we are in the profits just right now. Yep. First position for this strategy in a profit without any problems. Even with downward dynamics, without any problems, our position was closed and plus. So let's continue. Now I'll try to open short position and select the next currency pair for it. Alright, short position right now. So we have a sharp upward impulse. And that sucks quite. The resistance area has been broken. Yeah. Let's watch the results. Our candle went a little higher. Let's see if it goes lower. But here we have logic of the entrance is absolutely the same, guys. There is the red also. Trend also helps us here. Our trend is downward. In general, the transaction was open along the trend line quite well. So let's see if there will be an exit. This impulse, because it scared me very much, you know. We see that the exit is already happening. The last seconds. Come on, you can do that. Of course you can. And it will. Nice. We're in the profits, guys. Of course, a little lucky, but in general, our logic was absolutely logical. Yeah. So let me highlight to you and explain in more details. The trade is opened short. We see the intersection of the overbought area for us according to the CCI oscillator. This is the first signal to open a short position. We highlight the resistance area, right? Let me just, and also highlight the downward dynamics in this part of the movement. We have a slight sideways trend, and in general, after the update and such a rollback in prices, I thought that our dynamics should actually go down, and in fact they did this for us. Here we're literally in a very short time. So we made a good profit. Let's record it, let's fix it, and let's move to my favorite part of the video, withdrawal. Alright, continue button, and operation successfully done, guys. So that's the two strategies for today. I wish you will try one of them, and I recommend to try both of them. So leave a comments, likes, comments, subscriptions to my YouTube and Telegram. Have a good market. Bye bye.